Introducing the Scudo Core Brushed Brass Round Rigid Riser Mixer Shower, available here at Bella Bathrooms. Crafted with precision and finished in stunning brushed brass, this shower is a statement piece that will elevate your bathroom to new heights. Made of high-quality brass, this shower guarantees durability and longevity. No more worrying about wear and tear. This shower is built to last. The adjustable rail kit allows you to personalize your shower experience, ensuring optimal comfort every time. With the thermostatic cartridge feature, you can say goodbye to fluctuating water temperatures, enjoy a consistent and luxurious shower experience. The handset comes with an adjustable holder, giving you complete control over your showering position. No more straining or awkward angles, simply adjust it to suit your preferences. Safety is our utmost priority. The anti-scald feature ensures that you can enjoy your shower without any worry about sudden temperature changes. With its sleek round shape, this Scudo Core Brushed Brass Mixer Shower adds a touch of modern sophistication to any bathroom decor. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo Mixer Shower range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.